Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's another Valentine's video. These are Dollar Tree items. These came out so pretty, so easy to make, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. And if you do, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. So the first one, we're going to use a Dollar Tree frame. It's a 5x7. We're going to use this wood heart from Dollar Tree, and also going to use some ribbon from Dollar Tree. So the first thing I'm going to do is paint this frame all white. I only gave it one coat. Now this frame is kind of like white, it has a little bit of a gray in it. Now you can leave it as is because it is a pretty frame, but I wanted this project to be all white. Now for the heart, I'm just going to paint that all pink. It's a light pink. You can use any color you like. I wanted this to be very subtle, but very pretty and elegant. So I'm just going to give it 2 coats. So I'm going to take my sandpaper now and just rough up the edges on the frame. I want that gray to peek through a little bit, just going through in the middle on the sides. I'm going to do the same thing to the heart. So for the heart, I'm just going to sand around the heart edges. I'm just going to do the outside edges. So I needed a backing for the frame. I just took a piece of cardboard and painted that white. I'm going to place that right on top of the backing of the frame, glue it down. So now I'm going to put everything together, and then I'm going to take that heart and glue it right to the front of the frame. To place it down inside the frame, I'm just going to use my glue gun. This one is super easy to make. It comes out very pretty. And if you have a Dollar Tree frame, you can use any Dollar Tree heart and place it right in the middle, and it comes out so adorable. Now I'm going to take some Dollar Tree ribbon, and I'm going to place a little piece right on top of the heart, glue it down. Then I'm going to drape it right over the top of the frame. I'm going to do the other side as well. Now off camera, I didn't like the way it looked, so I just kind of like made it angle more towards the middle. So now the pieces that are hanging over the top, I'm just going to glue them down.
Time is gone and I grew up. I somehow made it through without losing sight.
I'm going to use the same ribbon and just create a little shoelace bow. And then I'm going to place that right in the middle of the ribbon at the top. Now I'm just going to glue that right at the top of the frame. And that's pretty much it for this project. It was super easy to make and so pretty. It's very simple. I like simple and elegant stuff. And that is it for this project.
Bruises, they come and they go, and we have to try and keep up, 'cause this life's so much more.
For this one, we're going to take a wall tile from Dollar Tree, this wood heart from Dollar Tree, and we're going to make something really pretty. Now I'm only going to place the tile on 2 parts of the heart, so I'm going to go ahead and trace the parts that I want to cut out. Now I did decide to use the outer piece of the heart and then 1 piece in the middle, so you'll see I change it. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut those 2 pieces out. Now I'm going to go ahead and glue down those pieces on the heart. Just use my glue gun. You'll see that I'm using the tile in the middle piece and then the outside to the right. So I'm going to place it on the outside right side of the heart, and then I'm going to start painting everything. So now I'm going to flip it over and just cut anything that's hanging over the hard edges with my scissors. I'm going to use some pink paint. I'm going to paint the areas that are bare wood. I think I did 2 coats. I'm going to do the other side as well. I love the way this one comes out, so pretty. Now for the tile part, I'm going to use some brown paint and use a Dollar Tree sponge and just sponge on some of the paint. I believe this is the brown paint that I picked up from Dollar Tree. I'm going to do the other tile as well. Now I'm going to be using some territorial beige and just place a little paint on the raised areas with a little paintbrush. It's like a little fan brush. I think the brown and pink combination is really pretty, so that's why I use these 2 colors together. Now I'm going to use the same brown with a sponge and just sponge on some, and sponge it around the pink area to make it look kind of rustic. Now I created a messy bow out of some Dollar Tree Hobby Lobby ribbon, and I made 2 sets. I'm going to place the smaller set at the bottom first, just glue it down, and then I'm going to place the other bow right on top to make it look really, really full. And I love the way the bows came out. So I'm going to use a Dollar Tree button, just place it right in the middle of the bow. Now I want to hang it, so I'm going to use one of these jute wires from Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to place the wire through the existing hole on one side. However, the other side doesn't have the hole because I didn't push it through the tile. I'm just going to go ahead and glue that part down. And this is how it turned out, guys. I really love the way this one came out. I love the colors and the combination. All right, this one is a heart from Hobby Lobby, and these little pieces of wood I cut down from Home Depot. They're about 5.5, 6 inches long. I'm going to use some baker's twine, and this rolling pin came from Hobby Lobby. I already used it before, and I'm going to use it in this DIY, and this came from Dollar Tree, and I used my Cricut. So I'm going to start painting this heart. I'm going to mix a little bit of some light blue and white paint and paint it about 2 coats. Now most of my projects today are like either white or pink, very pastel colors, so I decided to paint this one a pastel blue. Now I'm going to be placing down these vinyl hearts that I created on my Cricut. They're going to be different colors. They're all pastel colors, and a couple are different sizes. Now I used this rolling pin before and it was already painted white, so I just left it. Like I said, I bought these from Hobby Lobby a couple years ago. I'm not sure if they still carry them. They might, but you can check it out. They were pretty reasonable. So now I'm going to place the decal on the heart. It's going to say hugs. Now I'm going to take those pieces of wood that I cut, I'm going to place them in a square, and I'm just going to use my glue gun to glue them together. Now you can use wood glue or anything like that, but I'm just going to use my glue gun. Like I said, I got this from Home Depot, and it was like a 6-foot piece, and I just cut them down. But you can always use Dollar Tree's little wood pieces. Now I'm going to take that poster board that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to place that little wood square piece right on top and trace it because I need something for the backing. Alright, so now I'm just going to cut that out, and then I'm going to place it in back and glue it and use my hot glue gun. If you have a favorite today, let me know in the comments below. I love getting comments, so even if you want to say hi. Now I'm going to take that heart and glue that right in the middle. Now I did place it sideways and I didn't like the way it looked, so I did change it and place it upward. Now I'm going to take some baker's twine and wrap it on the side of the rolling pin. Just going to wrap it once, tie it in a knot, and then create a little bow. And that's it for this rolling pin. I think it's so adorable. I love the colors. Like I said, I'm doing pastel in this video, and not really traditional, but I like the pastel colors. Off camera, I added a little pink bow to the heart. And this is how everything turned out. Alright, for this one, we're going to take a Dollar Tree little wood hanging decor, and I used my Cricut. So I'm going to start off by painting this white, gave it about 2 coats. Now I'm going to use this heart and just trace it. I'm going to trace about 3 hearts. I'm going to use my pencil, just lightly trace it because I don't want the pencil to be too dark, because I'm going to be painting inside the hearts. Now I'm going to be placing down XO, XO on all 3 of the hearts. I use my Cricut for this, but you don't need a Cricut. You can use Dollar Tree letters. Now I'm going to start painting inside the hearts. Now the first one's going to be like a light pink, the second one's going to be a little darker pink, and then the third one is going to be a little bit pink but more with a red tone. So I was using a small brush around the edges, and now I'm using a Dollar Tree sponge to just glide on some of that paint. This one's a little darker pink, and I'm going to do the same thing like I did to the first one. Now I'm going to do the last one. Like I said, this is going to be a little more darker red. And this is such an easy project. Like I said, you don't need a Cricut to do this. And you can leave it as is, but I added just a little bit of embellishments just because that's just me. Now I'm going to take out the XOXO and show you how it turned out. Now the last one, unfortunately, bled through a little bit. I think I went a little too heavy with the paint, but I went ahead and fixed that right off camera. Now I forgot to turn my camera on, and I placed down these little corner stickers. These are from Dollar Tree. I just thought they would look really cute. Now I want to hide those little holes in the sign, so I'll grab these little puffy stickers from Dollar Tree. I'm going to place one on each hole. And that's pretty much it for this project. I think it came out really cute. All right, this is the last one. We're going to take some of these jars from Dollar Tree. I used my Cricut, and I created 2 little hearts on my Cricut machine, and then 2 pink hearts are from Dollar Tree. I'm going to start off by painting the jars. One's going to be like an antique white, one's going to be a light pink, and then a darker pink. I'm going to use a Dollar Tree sponge to apply it because it's easier on glass. The next one's going to be a light pink and then a darker pink. And it took about 2 hours for them to dry. Now these come out really pretty, and these are my favorite today. I mean, I like everything I made, but this is definitely my favorite. Now I'm going to place down the vinyl that I created. I'm going to have to do that separately because it's glass and it will pull the paint off. Now the 2 hearts that I created on my Cricut, I just use a little gift box, and now I'm just going to glue them down on 2 of the glass jars. Now I'm going to use the Dollar Tree pink hearts. I'm just going to place that right over the other hearts. Now I have this stuff from Dollar Tree. It's white. I believe it's called tulle, if I'm saying it right. I'm just going to create 2 bows and place it right at the top of the jars. I thought it looked really pretty with this instead of a regular ribbon. Now I'm just going to glue it to the top. Now I created 1 more and place that on the white jar, and that's pretty much it for this project. And look how pretty they came out. I love how they look. They're so cute. What do you guys think? And this is how they turned out. So cute. Well, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Take care, everyone. I'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.